Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandrine. Hi, how are you doing today? Thank you for clicking on this video or whatever. So today's video we are going to be making one of those furry robes. I think they're called the sugar daddy robe. I think. Don't quote me on that. So I decided to make one of my own because they are just the cutest thing ever. I think they just started like coming back in style. I don't know. But I've been seeing it a lot on my Instagram. So I was like, why not make my own? So I got this robe from Amazon. I paid $22 for it. And I wanted the see-through one without no lace or anything. But I could not find anyone that was long and that I could work with. So I got this one instead. And I got these fur trim from Walmart. I think I paid $3 for them. But whatever. So that's basically all you're going to need. And obviously I'm going to be using my hot glue gun because I don't like to sew. And the E60 glue is going to take a while for it to dry. And I don't have enough pins to hold it up to leave it overnight. So I'm just going to use my hot glue gun. So first thing first, obviously I already cut off the little tie knob, the little strings I should say, which I should have left it on, but I thought that I could just make something else, make a little string that could just hang down, but apparently not. So first thing first, I'm just gonna put my hot glue gun. I'm just gonna start gluing on everything with my hot glue gun and then just placing the fur on top of the robe. And that's basically it. That's all I'm doing, just hot glue gunning, and that's it. It looks so good. I'm gonna do all around the neck. I'm gonna do the little wrist, and I'm gonna do the back, so it's gonna be fur all over, which looks amazing. I wish I had a string or something to tie around it, but it is what it is. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll let you guys keep on watching. Bye.